Hello friends, today we are making a special breakfast dish for you. Kulcha, a Punjabi flatbread variety. We are making plain kulcha. So let's start. First we will prepare yeast. We are using lukewarm water for this purpose. 40°C warm water is enough. Mix it with a teaspoon of sugar. Mix well. Now we will add half teaspoon active dry yeast and keep it there for minimum 10 minutes. If the yeast is alive, there will be tick form generated over the liquid. If nothing happened, repeat the process once more. Alternately, if you are confident about the yeast, you can skip the process and directly add the yeast with the flour. Next we will start making a dough. Here we are adding 3 cups of all-purpose flour. If you don't want to use maida fully, you cause half portion wheat flour. Add some salt. Mix with hand well. Now add 2 teaspoon oil and tablespoon of curd and mix well. Add yeast water and you knead to a dough similar to chapati dough. If required, you can add more water. Initially I said, we are making plain kulcha. So you may think is some other varieties too for kulcha, right? You are right. There is another version, stuffed kulcha. We use potato masala as filling. If you wish, you could also try paneer masala or tomato masala for stuffing. Soon we will make stuffed version too. Stay tuned. In traditional way, people doesn't use yeast for fermentation. Better they use curd only. The natural fermentation agents in curd act as substitute for yeast. Still people use curd instead of yeast. But I think for curd it needs some more time to ferment. But if you are not in hurry and want to make kulcha for breakfast, you could try curd and keep it for overnight. So we prepared our dough well. Now we keep it in a warm place to rise the dough in double size. Say we will brush some oil over the dough and keep it somewhere warm. If you are in a cold region, the time required to rise the dough may vary. In normal climate and temperature it require an average of 1 to 2 hours maximum. Okay, we got it doubled. We need to knead the dough once more and divide it to equal parts. With the rolling pin we will make a little thick breads. You can cook kulcha in 3 ways. First one is traditional way, means using toned oven. Second way over flame, and third way just like chapatis. I'm trying the third way. If you are practicing first or second way, you have to brush some water on one side of the kulcha to stick it to side on the wall or tawa. If you are trying over the flame method, always use iron tawa. If you are using non-stick tawa, chances are big to lose the kulcha in fire. So, we will our kulcha little thick. Brush some butter over it and sprinkle some sesame seeds or coriander leaves chopped over it and gently roll the pin over it. Cook the kulcha both sides. That's it. So the best curry for kulcha is chole masala. Enjoy traditional kulcha. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe the channel and share the video with your friend. Thank you for watching this video.